I purchased some gold ore from Jason from Mount Baker Mining and Metals. If you haven't gone out to the YouTube page and watched some of those videos, you should, because they're well worth watching. So I purchased the ore, and it's called Lightning Quartz number 22. Using the Falcon handheld metal detector, I wanted to confirm there was actually something in it. And as you can hear, there definitely is. Next, I'm going to pick out a chunk that I'm going to test with. This will be the one that I break down into a powder. Not good light, but there's definitely something there. I can't tell until I get inside to take a look at it. It looks like gold. Very fine gold, which is what I expected. And let me go get the big magnet. If it all gets sucked into the magnet, then we know it's not gold. It's the big magnet. It's still there. I don't think anything came in this. Oh, that's good. Looks like gold to me. I go ahead and I grind up the rest of the ore sample into a very fine powder. Over rear gear. So I've run the blue ball a few times, and it looks like gold that it's extracting. You know, all the other lighter sands and heavies are moving out, but leaving what looks like the gold behind, but I'm not sure yet. Bottom line, is there gold in this ore? The answer is yes. There's quite a bit of it, as you can see from the pictures. But what you're looking at are pictures that are blown up 1,000 times. And the gold is so small that I don't have the technical ability to get it out. I think that if I used mercury, which I'm not going to do, that would get it out. Or if you melted it, you've got the tools to do that, that'll also get it out. But I don't have either of those. Was it fun? Yeah, I think everyone should do it. At least try it. But can I get the gold out and add to my collection? No, I cannot do that. But it was fun. I suggest everyone try it.